How to use a clip-on flash when shooting with a window as backlight. If you use a clip-on flash correctly, you can get a very lovely photo when shooting with a window as backlight. In this video, I'll show you how to use a clip-on flash and create daylight scene while indoors. First, we shoot without a flash. When shooting in aperture priority without exposure compensation, the subject will be dark because of the bright background. If you increase the exposure compensation in order to make the subject brighter, the background will end up washed out. Let's try setting the exposure compensation at +2. Now, to lighten the subject with the background in the picture, shoot at an exposure that allows the background to show up well. Change the exposure mode to manual. Face the clip-on flash directly at the subject. Indeed, it looks as if a strobe was used to illuminate the subject, which isn't quite right. Next, let's try making the light softer by directing it towards the ceiling. The light will bounce off the ceiling when we shoot. The soft light is coming from above, so we could shoot the subject more beautifully. But since the light is from above, it doesn't look natural. This time, we will try clipping the flash onto the right wall. The light has become even softer, and the flow of the light is from the side, so four things matches more to what we are going for. In this case, the brightness of the background is controlled by the shutter speed, so that it is a little more adequately brighter. To make the shot even better, by removing the clip-on flash from the camera, you can clip it onto a stand and use it as an off-camera flash. We'll bounce light from the backlight wall using the flash. Then we will place a reflection board in front of the subject and reflect the light onto the subject. It will add a lovely hairlight, and the soft light will shine on the face, making the shot have pretty lighting. The key point is, in order to create a natural light, the light should be as soft as possible. And you can control the brightness of the background by using the shutter speed. It is very difficult to find this balance, but if you can do it well, you will create lighting that is very fulfilling.